Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you through the process of withdrawing your money from PrizePicks. If you're ready to cash out your winnings but are unsure how to do it, don't worry. We'll walk you through every step in detail. First, make sure you have your PrizePicks account open. You can do this either on your computer or mobile device. Log in using your email and password. Once you've logged in, take a moment to verify that your account is in good standing. You can request a withdrawal to any approved bank account, PayPal, Venmo, or debit card that you have previously used to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account. To request a withdrawal, navigate to the menu located in the top left corner of the PrizePicks app. If you are accessing your account on a browser, the menu is in the top right corner. From here, you can select Request Withdrawal. You'll receive a one-time password, OTP code by email as soon as you request your withdrawal. No further action is needed on your part. We will send you an email to confirm whether the withdrawal was successful or not. Next, check your available balance. You can find this on the main dashboard or your account overview page. The amount shown there reflects what is available for withdrawal. If part of your balance is tied to ongoing picks or promotional funds, you may not be able to withdraw it yet. Before moving forward, it's important to ensure you have completed any identity verification requirements. PrizePicks often asks users to confirm their identity before they can withdraw money. If you haven't done this yet, go to the verification section in your account settings. You might need to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Once you're ready to withdraw, navigate to the Withdrawal section. This is usually found under Account Settings or in the Wallet section of the platform. Click on the Withdrawal option and you'll see the available payment methods. Common withdrawal methods include bank transfer, PayPal, or other supported payment services. Choose the method that works best for you. If it's your first withdrawal, PrizePicks may require you to link your payment method. Follow the instructions to add your bank account or payment service details. Now, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Be sure to stay within your available balance and adhere to any minimum or maximum withdrawal limits set by PrizePicks. After entering the amount, review the details of your withdrawal request. Confirm that all the information is accurate, including the payment method and the amount you're withdrawing. Once everything looks good, submit your withdrawal request. PrizePicks will process it, but keep in mind that processing times can vary depending on the payment method you selected. Bank transfers may take a few business days, while some methods like PayPal may be quicker. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification once your request is processed. And that's it. With these steps, you should now be able to withdraw your money from PrizePicks with ease. Take your time, follow each step carefully, and enjoy your winnings.